Today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a throbbing material effect that you can put on any object as seen here. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create a new material, and we're just going to call this Pulse. You can name this whatever you would like. Open up your material and then hold one and click. What this does is it's going to give you a scalar of 0, which is going to create our material into a black base color. Now, of course, you can change this accordingly to whatever you like. Next, you're going to want to create a panner, and from the panner, you are going to drag out, and you are going to connect it to a multiply. This multiply value here is going to be a 0.3. And if we go back to our panner here, we're going to set the X speed to 0.1. And what this is going to do, it's going to create the pixel movement for the throbbing effect on our material. Then what you're going to do is from the multiply, you are going to drag out and create a texture sample. And this texture sample is where we're going to create the noise. Because of this tutorial, I am just going to use the rubber blue. Now, of course, you can use whatever you like. And what we're going to do is we're just going to copy this for the same exact thing. The only difference now is we're going to change our panner for the bottom here to be 0.1 for the Y. Now, what we're going to do is we're just going to connect these two through an add button here, through our RGB, and then from our add we're going to drag out and we're going to do a multiply once more with a value of 40, and this is going to be running straight into our world position offset. Now, as you can see, our material is starting to move a little bit. Now, if you want to increase the speed and the intensity, which if I put this to like 10, you can see that the jitter is a lot more prevalent. But we'll just set this back down to like a small jitter movement here. As you can see, I put a chair on our level and attached the material to it, and it does a slow kind of vibration feel to it. Now, of course, change this to whatever best fits your project, and I hope it helped.